Today I'm going to do a bit of maintenance on my Festool tracks. I'm going to change the splinter guard on my two older tracks, and then I am going to size or cut the splinter guard on my brand new track. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. This is the Paulk Smart Bench and the Paulk Smart Station. I want to get a detailed set of plans to build a Smart Wood Shop, one of my workbenches, or any of the accessories that work with the system. And that's right, it is a complete and total system. Then there is a link in the description of this video down below. A few weeks ago, I upgraded from my previous cordless Festool track saw to this brand new one. I did a detailed review on every knob, button, and everything about this saw, and I will put a link to that video right here. My 2700 and my 800, I'm going to replace the splinter guard. First, I'll show you how to remove the old splinter guard on these two tracks. And then once that's done, there'll be new splinter guards on all three of these, and I'll size them for the new saw. So I'll show you how to do all of that right now. So it's pretty easy to peel it off. That leaves the sticky tape on there, and I want to get that off. So the best way to do that is to take a little putty knife. Next, I'm going to take some acetone to clean the residual glue off. So after you get this little bit of sticky on your fingers and you get a little acetone on your skin that isn't good for you, then put on the rubber gloves. Step one is done. That's the hard part. I buy the splinter guard material in bulk rolls rather than individual sized pieces. You can cut it to length with razor knife, scissors, end cutters. The sticky tape is off to one side. There's part of it that doesn't have sticky on it. That goes out. That's a part that's going to be cut away by the saw, or some of it. And there's a lip that this can go up against. Step three is even easier. We're just simply going to take the saw, run it down the track, and let it cut it right off where the blade is. The depth of the cut, I'm going to set to go a little bit past. I don't want to be just right at it. I want to cut into the wood a little bit. I have one of my sacrificial strips. I'm going to be cutting into that wood and not into my bench. This is my brand new track here, my LR32. It is basically a 1400 with the holes in it for the LR system. So I'm going to use this as my standard track and not be hauling an extra 1400. I just don't have a need to have both. Fit the new ones the same way you do when you're replacing the splinter guard on the older ones. Absolutely laser cut on both edges. So that's all there is to it. 3 steps. First one is the hardest, just cleaning it up. Step 2, cut it to length and then stick it on. You really can't put it on wrong. There's a lip that you go right against that lip. Step 3 is to make that cut. Very easy, but I wanted to make the video anyway because it's nice just to see somebody do it and know what to expect. If you enjoyed this tool maintenance tutorial, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. And remember, when you subscribe, to ring the bell, because you're telling YouTube, hey, I want to know when this channel puts up a video. But you also have to do a second thing. There are tabs on your YouTube page. The home tab, where a lot of people find themselves, serves up what the YouTube algorithm feels like that you want to watch. If you look down a few tabs, you'll see the subscribe tab. That's the one where you've said, this is what I want to watch. I want to subscribe to these channels. I never take my YouTube page off of the subscribe tab. It's the only place I'm at because I have enough channels that I follow. I want to see what they put up. I don't really need to see what a computer tells me that I need to see. Also, if you've got some particular technique or tool or something you'd like to see me take a look at here or share with you, at the Smart Wood Shop, then drop that in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.